Welcome. This is a quick video to give you an update of Bobcat's shipping dates and timings, as well as a heads up to be aware of scammer websites. So Bobcat today announced that the second batch shipping will start from the 11th of May, and it is estimated that they will be delivered by the 20th of May. Today I received my second order of 2 Bobcats. I've still yet to set these up, as these will be a part of a bigger strategic setup. If you want to know more about setting up your Bobcat strategically, do check out my video linked in the top right hand corner of this video. So anyone who ordered their Bobcat prior to the 17th of March will receive them as a part of this second batch shipping. I will be releasing further shipping updates once they are confirmed by Bobcat. Please note, if you are looking to purchase a Bobcat miner, please only do it through their website, which is bobcatminer.com. I've also linked this in the description below. Do not fall for these third-party websites selling helium miners, as they are not legitimate and you will lose your money. Within the crypto mining space, there are so many scammers. Do not let them take advantage of your hard-earned money. Be vigilant and take things easy when purchasing. Do not rush into making mistakes. I have made free tutorials to help you on how to purchase Bobcat miners. You can find these in the links in the description below. If you have any questions, please do drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next helium mining video. Peace.